Today's day 4. If you're keeping track, I don't know that it matters at this point. We're just gonna do what we gotta do here. I didn't go on the hike this morning. I just needed a morning. Our mornings start at 6:37 every single day, and there literally is things that you can do throughout the day. And like I said, everything is optional, so you don't have to do anything. This week I figured I wanted to try most everything, so that then the next 2 weeks that I'm here, I can go, these are the definitive things that I want to do. And then if there's other things that I don't want, that I didn't particularly want to do again, then I can plan for something else, whether it's take a long walk on the beach, whether it's go on an excursion, whether it's to do a pool exercise, whatever. You get the point. So this morning I didn't go on the hike. It will be offered again in 2 weeks, and since I'm here for 3 weeks total, I will be able to do it. So I just decided I was just going to take the morning. It is the first week, so there's a lot of adjustment and a lot going on with your body. I did get up and do a 1-hour workout in the pool, and I just came back and got cleaned up, and I'm going to run my laundry over. It's 50 across from the Muay Thai boxing ring that's 2 doors down. It's 50 baht per kilogram. So I think roughly US, that's going to be whatever, I think $1.50 or so for 2 pounds of laundry. No more laundry for this girl, I'll tell you. As long as I'm living in Southeast Asia, no more laundry for this girl unless it's just rinsing things out in the sink. Today's yoga class is Hatha yoga. I'm here about 15 minutes early. So we have everything is all set up and ready for us to start class. Oh. Today's lunch is a Japanese bowl. Noodles, broccoli, peppers. We are all here down at, about 7 of us at Fisherman's Village for the night for dinner. It's Friday night, so it's the best night to come. And I don't know if you can see behind me, they do 2 fire shows in evening. And we're actually, I'll turn you around so you can see and walk down a bit, but we're having dinner right out here on the beach at a seafood restaurant called Yin and Yang. Yin Yang is the name of it. Let me turn you around and show you. So our table's right there. Here's steps from the beach. And I'll take you on a walking tour. When we get back on the other side, it's just tons of just shops and stores and restaurants and everything that you can see. One of the fire shows going on way down there. Jenny's running down there so she can catch it on video. Friday night down here at Fisherman's Village. Turn you around, take you for a walk. Yeah, right here. 7:15 and 9. Yeah, because it was just ending when we got here. Kind of reminds me of the Chiang Mai and the Sunday night market, except you can actually walk here. Hi, strangers. is pretty. Oh, this is a hostel. Hostel and restaurant. Huh. I mean, that's just insane.
Yeah, it was not nice, but I was very disappointed. And it's easy to cook. You don't have to do a whole lot to it. Sprinkle some seasoning salt, some pepper, some garlic, stick it on the salad and put it in the oven.
I thought I would give a little recap on, let's see, what was it, Friday and Saturday. So Friday and Saturday would have been the 5th and the 6th day that I was here. And I thought that I would just kind of, feel like the video was a little bit of mishmash. So I just thought I would summarize like kind of the events of Friday and Saturday. And being that they're the 5th and the 6th day that we are here, it tends to wind down a little bit. The activities tend to be a little less stressful on the body, and even the yoga is gentler in that. Friday morning there was a beach workout, and so I did not go to that because I was not feeling well in the morning. And then at 11, so that usually starts around, I believe that one started at 6:30 and is done by 7:30, and it's scheduled that way to get ahead of the heat for the day. And then at 11 o'clock is yoga, and that's about anywhere, it runs from anywhere from 1 hour to an hour and a half depending. And then your strength training slot will either be at 4 or 5, and that was on Friday. And we all chose to go to Fisherman's Village because about 7 or 8 which was about 50% of our group was leaving on Sunday, so we decided to go to Fisherman's Village on Friday night. But by the time everybody got out of strength training and showered and we actually got there, it was later than we had hoped that it would be, and especially having Muay Thai the next morning at 7. So Friday night is the best night to go if you're going to plan a trip when you're staying here and actually, here working out at the retreat. Maybe try to move into the 5 o'clock, the 4 o'clock strength training class, so that then everybody has time to get showered and get ready and head on up. It's about a 30-minute ride up to near Chewang Beach. And then Saturday morning, bright and early, we had Muay Thai from 7. It says 7 and 9. I don't think it quite ran until 9 o'clock. And then you have yoga at 11, and then the ice bath from 2 to 4. I'm hoping this week that I'll be able to get some photographs of the ice bath. Now I know it's a 2-hour breath work and ice bath section. So I'm going to try a little bit harder this week in my second week. Now that I know kind of how things work and what to expect, it makes it a little bit easier for me to plan on being able to get some footage before everybody's there, and we're actually them participating in the activity. It makes it harder. I hope that this wrap up of the Friday and Saturday kind of like summarized some of the things that were in the video, and then also were able to summarize some of the things that I was not able to capture. But I'll get them for sure this week a little bit better, that give you some more insight. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to answer those for you. All right, take care, everybody, and have a wonderful day. Bye.